Your Place, Your Money. Brought to you by Rogue Credit Union and AARP.
Welcome to Your Place, Your Money. Joined via Zoom today by Joyce up in Portland. She's the Communications and Media Relations Director for AARP Oregon. Joyce, thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. So I want to ask, what happens when you become a power of attorney for a parent, a friend, or a loved one?
Well, you become their financial agent, and that means you're a fiduciary, which requires you to manage the money and property in the best interest of the person who granted you the power of attorney. And it doesn't matter if it's a little money or a lot of money, the rules are the same. And this is not the agent's discretionary income. And, you know, we've heard cases of family or friends who get this responsibility and sort of use it as a personal slush fund. And that is forbidden and is against the law. So just because someone grants you the power of attorney, that money is still only to be used for the person who granted the power. And it should be used for the best interest of them and in the way that they would want it to be spent.
And I know power of attorney can be revoked if people are able to make decisions on their own. What are some other key tips that people should remember?
Well, just be careful to read the power of attorney and follow the instructions, understand when it's in effect and how long, and make sure, as I mentioned, we always involve the person whose assets it is. And then, you know, there are a lot of other tips that you should learn if you're going to be the power of attorney. So I'd recommend going to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau website, which is cfpb.gov. And under the consumer resources, there's a whole booklet on how to be a good and successful and legal power of attorney agent.
Very good. Joyce, thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you.